Hi class, it's Jessica here to talk to you about my 4 speeches. As you know, we have to do 2 informational speeches and 2 persuasive speeches. My first informational speech is going to be on the difference between underwater archaeology and treasure hunting. Most people think when I say that I'm an underwater archaeologist that I go out and find shipwrecks full of gold and treasure, or it's like Indiana Jones or something like that, and it's completely different, and I just want to inform and educate people on the difference between these 2 things. Treasure hunting definitely has different techniques than archaeologists do, and I just thought it would be interesting for the class to see the real side of underwater archaeology. My second informative speech will be on Biosphere 2. It's a closed ecological system in Arizona where scientists live and study certain experiments on ecology and biology and things like that, and I thought it would be interesting to talk about. It went defunct in the mid-90s, but I still find it interesting as an experiment in general. My 2 persuasive speeches, the first one will be on the No Child Left Behind Act. I am trying to persuade the class that the No Child Left Behind Act is actually detrimental to children in the classroom, and that our children could be better served with different governmental policies. My second persuasive speech is going to be on beach modifications. If you live near the coast, you've seen jetties and seawalls and barriers and beach nourishment, which is where they dredge up sand from somewhere else and bring it onto the beach. Well, I'm going to persuade the class that this is actually worse for the shoreline than it is better, because these things actually cause more erosion and cause more problems than they solve. So it's an endless loop of problems which are solved with these solutions which cause more problems. So I'll explain that with a case study. Probably my case study will be on the Aswan High Dam in Egypt, because it's one of the more famous cases of beach modification failing, but I'm also going to look for an example in the local area of Virginia Beach. And I think that is it. I hope the class enjoys my speeches, and I will see you all next week.